If you have a miter saw, then the PM-4000 folding miter saw stand is exactly what you need. Designed to work with nearly every make and model miter saw or chop saw, this strong, stable stand will allow you to set up wherever you wish, quickly, easily, and safely. Whether it's a job site or your driveway, you'll appreciate being able to work exactly where you need to. This is a contractor-grade miter saw stand but priced for the homeowner. But don't let the low cost fool you. This is a high-quality piece of equipment, with tubular steel construction, and a whopping 500 pounds capacity, so you can handle the big jobs with ease. The quick attach mounts make attaching and detaching the saw simple, and the adjustable 13 inches tall material supports can be in or out to support material 10 feet long. But here's the kicker: it's not only lightweight, but it folds up for easy transport and storage, making this one of the most versatile miter saw stands on the market. An optional wheel kit is available, PM-7004, for added mobility, and extra tool mounts, PM-7002 20 in long and can be adjusted along the width to fit most saws, are also available, allowing you to expand the use of your stand to other tools in your shop. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. A cut above. The Bora Portamate PM-4000 is the best, most practical, hassle-free stand you'll find for miter saws or chop saws. Constructed of tubular steel with a powder-coated finish, this rugged yet lightweight saw stand can support up to 500 pounds. And is compatible with miter saws up to 12 inches, including compound sliding saws. Number 2. Cutout for convenience. Setup is quick and simple, as the folding legs swing under the center portion and are secured by pins that snap into position. Stand folds up for easy transport, storage, and carrying from your vehicle to the worksite. Folded size is 43.5 inches width by 20 inches depth by 6.5 inches height and weighs only 30 pounds. Without a saw. Number 3. Switch gears and mount. Add tools. Quick attach saw mounts allow for easy mounting of your saw, as well as other tools which you can switch around, set up, and take down quickly. Hardware is included. Additional mount sets sold separately offer a wider variety of tools that you can use with your PM-4000 stand. Number 4. Makes the cut. Our PM-4000 saw stand was specially designed to provide the ideal ergonomic working height of 36 inches, so professional contractors and days can work safely and comfortably while making cuts with absolute precision and secure stability. Number 5. Any way you cut it. Buy with confidence knowing that you are backed by our 1 year. If for any reason, you're not 100% satisfied with your purchase, let us know, and we'll make it right. Number 6. Extra tool mounts make easy tool switches. Change your tools easily with quick attach mounts. Additional mounts, sold separately, allow you to have a wide variety of tools that can mount quickly and easily to your PM-4000 stand. Number 7. Comfortable work height. Stands at an ideal working height of 35 inches to make your work safe and efficient. This design increases stability and accuracy. Number 8. Upgrade as needed. You can easily add more maneuverability to your Bora Portamate PM-4000 miter saw stand with our PM-4004 dual wheel upgrade kit, which is sold separately. The dual 6-inch diameter wheels make navigating through the job site a smooth ride, rather than an added project. This optional add-on kit includes 2 6-inch wheels, hardware, and installs. No drilling needed, just snap and secure wheels to the PM-4000 miter saw stand, and it's ready to roll. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.